What's up? So today we're gonna be working on the Escalade. Had to put some stuff in there. Had to move the box around. Forgot to bolt it back down. Shot out. Pulled out of the ground. Anyway, so we're gonna fix that today, and we're gonna get it bumping again. And then we're gonna go find some carpet for it, and see if we can get it carpeted back up since I put the 18s in there. So let's get started. The fuck was that? What the fuck?
What happened?
That was weird.
What happened?
The seat started getting all motorized on me.
Oh.
That was weird.
Oh.
Okay, cool.
Who's talking to you?
Oh, can you give me my drill?
Yeah, where's that?
What are you talking about? Where's that? It was in my car. Remember? And you told me you put it in the garage.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah.
The Milwaukee one, the brand new one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't find it. I think he lost it.
It wasn't in my car? Hold on.
Why would it be in your car?
No. I got one in my car. I don't know if
Where's mine?
What? What the f?
Alright, so I guess I'm done for now. We gotta go to O'Reilly's real quick. And then get a motor mount for the Yoda. And then I'll carpet my back for a later.